Mira Murati rejects Zuckerberg's $1 billion offer, the future of AI independence. In a surprising turn of events, every single member of Mira Murati's team at Thinking Machines Lab declined Mark Zuckerberg's colossal $1 billion offer to join Meta's AI division. This bold move by the startup's employees showcases their commitment to their work and their belief in the company's potential. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has been on a relentless hunt for top talent in the AI industry. After his attempt to acquire Scale AI, he set his sights on Thinking Machines Lab, a promising AI startup founded by Mira Murati, the former CTO of OpenAI. However, according to a recent Wired report, not one person from Thinking Machines Lab accepted Meta's generous offers to join their new Superintelligence lab. The compensation packages offered by Meta were staggering, ranging from $200 million to $1 billion over several years. These offers were designed to entice the best AI researchers from Murati's startup. Yet despite the astronomical sums, Mira confirmed to Wired that no team member took the bait. However, Meta's communications director, Andy Stone, disputes this claim. He told Wired that they only extended offers to a select few individuals at Thinking Machines Lab, and while one offer was substantial, the details reported were inaccurate. This discrepancy raises questions about who is manipulating the narrative and for what purpose. Thinking Machines Lab, which recently raised funds at $1 billion valuation without even launching a product, has quickly become one of the most closely watched AI startups. Industry insiders attribute the unity of Mira Murati's team to her visionary leadership and long-term strategy. Researchers at Thinking Machines Lab are said to prioritize their autonomy and the chance to mold the future of AI from scratch, unburdened by the restrictions of a large corporate environment. This dedication to their work and the potential for groundbreaking innovation may explain why they chose to reject Meta's lucrative offers. But here's where it gets controversial. Could it be that the team's decision to stay independent is driven by more than just a desire for freedom? Might there be underlying concerns about aligning with a major corporation that could compromise their research goals? And this is the part most people miss. Is it possible that the team sees a greater potential for impact within a smaller, more agile startup setting? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Why AI researchers are earning like NBA All-Stars. Why AI researchers are commanding salaries comparable to NBA All-Stars. Hello there. I'm Alex Heath, the deputy editor at The Verge, and your host for today's episode of Decoder. Joining me is Hayden Field, our senior AI reporter. Together, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI talent acquisition and exploring why certain researchers are being treated like the superstars of the NBA. If you've been following the developments in the AI sector over the last month, you've probably noticed a surge of articles discussing the intense hiring competition among major tech companies, research institutions, and AI startups. At the forefront of this movement is Mark Zuckerberg, who has been extending some truly remarkable job offers in an effort to attract elite talent to Meta. However, the narrative goes much deeper than just these enticing offers. Over the past few weeks, Hayden and I have been investigating the magnitude of these job proposals, the reasons behind companies like Google choosing to hire rather than acquire talent, and the implications of the fact that many of the most coveted AI specialists are now driven by factors beyond mere financial incentives. For those interested in delving deeper into the topics we discussed in this episode, here are some valuable links. OpenAI's Windsurf deal is off, and Windsurf CEO is going to Google. The Verge. Mark Zuckerberg assures you can trust him with superintelligent AI. The Verge. Meta is attempting to dominate the AI race with financial incentives, but not everyone is for sale. The Verge. Meta claims it's winning the talent war against OpenAI. Command Line. Google is regaining its competitive edge. Command line. The AI talent wars are just beginning. Command line. Meta attempted to acquire safe Superintelligence, instead hiring CEO Daniel Gross, CNBC. Apple loses a leading AI models executive to Meta's hiring spree. Bloomberg. Meta's AI recruitment campaign targets new talent. Wired. Anthropic rehires 2 coding AI leaders from Anysphere. The information. Do you have any thoughts or questions about this episode? We'd love to hear from you at decoder@theverge.com. We genuinely read every email. Decoder with Nilay Patel, a podcast from The Verge that tackles big ideas and various challenges. Subscribe now. Follow topics and authors from this story to see more content tailored to your interests and receive email updates.